So guys, dito na kami malapit sa talon. Kaya marami rin tao pala rito guys. Kaya maraming tao dito guys. So pupunta tayo ng talon guys. Ano nga? Bye. Kaya nilala sa lungsok. What's that? BB, pato. So bababa kami guys ng papuntang talon. Ayun. Wait lang guys. Huwag mong madali tayo. Dala-dala ko yung aking piso. So, mula dito guys, nakikita natin yung cottages. Yan. Sa baba. Sa baba. Ayun guys, yung mga tao na paakit tapos sa sagat. So wait lang guys ha. Tatawirin namin to guys papunta doon sa may mga cottages. Yan.
Daddy, it's going to water park.
Yeah, water. You want swimming?
This is go to that way.
Ha?
Move. The channel.
Tatawid tayo doon. So wait.
It's waters everywhere.
Water everywhere.
It's water.
Yeah. Oops. Hello.
Hi. Wow, look, I go to swimming.
Ayan, we go swimming, sing lang tayo.
Look, I go to swimming.
Guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung swimming pool.
Daddy, I'll go to.
So guys, ito yung swimming na ginawa dito sa
Mama, let's go swimming.
swimming pool.
Daddy,
Ito sa ilog.
swimming.
Swimming. Ayan guys, ginawa niya.
Daddy, how about the home?
Ah! Later na. Ayun. Tingnan natin doon. Ito guys, yung ginawa nilang swimming pool dito sa may ilog. Ayan. So, ito guys, no? Ang kanilang swimming pool. Yeah. Ito ang tinatawag na talon, guys. Ayan. Tinatawag nating talon.
Come on.
Ayan, guys. So,
Daddy.
ang may bayad lang dito, guys, yung may mga cottage. Pero walang entrance. Yan sa taas, mayroong entrance po. So, mayroon tindahan din dito. Ito yung mga cottages, guys.
Daddy, you turn.
Your turn? You want to swim here?
Yes.
Huh?
Daddy. Daddy, it's so fun.
So, ayan guys, ang mga cottage. Babayaran mo lang dito ang cottage pero wala kong entrance. So guys,
Daddy,
yes.
swimming.
You want to swimming?
Yes.
So ito guys yung mga kanilang CR. So may CR din dito. Ay babayaran lang 5 piso. Yan.
I'm going to.
So ayan guys na.
Come on, Daddy.
So,
Let's do this.
Let's do this. Are you sure?